$3.79. Place your item on the belt. Savings 79 cents. 209. Savings 9 cents. 17.40. 5.79. Savings 10 cents. Your total is savings is $1.74. Please wait. System.
You ready? Are you ready? Alright. Suppose let's get out of here. Well, guys, if you haven't figured it out by the title yet, made it up here and we're doing like a Thanksgiving special. We're gonna make just a little Thanksgiving meal, just because, basically. I got the dog with me, of course. It's his first time up here, and he keeps smelling around in this fire pit. Quit. It'd be kind of a challenge to keep him around camp. He likes to just venture off and go chase squirrels, normal dog stuff. He thinks he's a pup, is what he thinks he's a puppy. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna get a fire going because I'm losing light fast. I probably got like a good 10 minutes left of that. So we're gonna get a fire rolling, and get dinner started rolling because I am starving. I'm sure the pup's starving too. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Right, pretty boy. Alright, guys, so we got some turkey. I was planning on getting like a Cornish hen or something like that, but they didn't have any, and I walked past and I saw this. So I guess this will do. It's already like pre-cooked. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna heat it up. Maybe throw it on a grill or something. Although I do know that this little thing of turkey, where are we at now? $17.40 just for that. I didn't know it until after I bought it. We got some dressing, got some gravy. We got the best butter known to man. We snatched some potatoes from the house, and in here I got milk and sour cream. We're gonna make some homemade mashed potatoes. Don't tell the wife I took this stuff. She might be upset. Yeah. So I guess we gotta peel some potatoes. We'll save a couple for the morning. Maybe this time we'll make some hash browns. I still don't have any steak knives in here for some reason. But I've been using this thing for like ever. I actually quite like this knife. Alright. Peeled. Now we gotta do some, well, gazoon tight there, buddy. Choking on, well, don't be eating stuff off the ground. See, that's what I'm talking about. I just love that dog. Of course, he was super excited. Like, cause like if I get his collar out, like he goes and sings. He knows he's leaving with me. So I guess we'll get some potatoes boiling. I haven't used this side. No, that's quite nice. Probably should have had the water already started, but you know. Onyx, quit leaving me. Yeah, I see you. Just because it's dark doesn't mean I don't see you. I need to put a little bit of salt in the water. This is probably the one container or the one pan on the lid for it. Nope. Look at that. The set came with lids for everything. Sweet. Be fun to get that organized, put it back together. Fire's going nicely. My chair set up. Of course, he's got his food and water, which the food he isn't going to touch because he knows Dad's cooking. So we're going to just sit back and wait for those potatoes to boil up, and then we're going to finish up on the rest. So the potatoes are basically done. Let me get those strained in just a second. I lost the dog again. Onyx! Senor Pretty Boy. Why you keep disappearing? Why you keep disappearing? It's dark. We're in the middle of nowhere. Get your nose down. Get your nose down. You already know you're going to get whatever I eat. You got that. Anyways, guys, we're going to get some water boiling. I'm going to cheat. Try to use part of this, basically. Just get some water kind of preheated for the stuffing. If I can find the clicker. We're going to see if we can just at least preheat it first. Make the potatoes in this. I got to rinse that out. We'll do the stuffing in that, but I want the water kind of, most of the way there. Try to get everything basically warm when I sit down and eat. Oh, wait. We need to measure this, don't we? So once... That's 1 cup. What's this one? Like a cup and a half? Cup and a half of water. Whoa, they're killer. So there's a cup. A little on the stove, be it right. There's a half. And it wants some butter. Should I get some of the best butter in the world? Onyx. Onyx. No, it's not a treat. I just need you to bring. Oh, no. It's just but. No, it's just but. Get out of here. Get out of here. Your treats are in the truck. You already had 2. I'll tell you what, guys. This dog is the best dog in the world. You already know you'll get some. Calm down. Dad lost his knife. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. We'll use a fork. Screw it. Alright, so 4 tablespoons. Get your nose down. It's hot. 4 tablespoons of butter. We gotta cut that. Alright, guys, I just feel like this is a bad idea. Honest, get back. That's not ready. Go on. Would you get out of here? Get. I'm gonna have to yell at you on camera. You understand me? You're just so gorgeous. Go on. Go. The potatoes drained out. Alright. I'll set this somewhere. I don't know where to set stuff. Potatoes drained out. I'll get some of the milk and sour cream mix poured in here. It's probably too much of that, but either way, we gotta rinse that because that's gonna basically turn rancid. I don't like that. I even got a potato masher. I probably should have mashed and then put that stuff in. Go ahead and get rid of some of that stuff right now. Oh, I'm just making a mess of things, eh? pretty good. Some of these, since I just decided to trash everything I own. I hope the dog's still here. I got too much going on. I'm supposed to be relaxing out here. That'll be cleaned and rinsed. Hope the dog's still here. There's that. Oh, this needs more than just that. About a little garlic powder. Well, something green. Once it's parsley, yeah, well, we'll have something green in there. Boy, it doesn't really come out of that. That's a horrible design. Come on now, Walmart. Make the holes a little bigger for me. Thank you. That's what she said. Haha, haha. It's pretty inappropriate for this channel. Let's transfer. What am I doing here? I don't know anymore. I need more space that's flat. Alright. So we'll transfer all these potatoes. We'll set those in front of the heater. Oh man. I can't reach the hot air. There it is. Okay. Alright, so I'll rinse, transfer, and then we'll be back. Yeah. So it wants this and 1 cup of cold water. Cup. Canteen. Oh, you're eating your food. Oh, that's a good boy. Cold water. This has to come to a boil. It says medium heat, so I guess we'll. I mean, it ain't the best heat, anyways. It's a grill. Whatever. Wish I had a whisk in here. I actually might. I do not. I'll scratch my pants. Technically, that's boiling. This could get turned off. This can go over here. That can get put on some more controllable heat. I need to keep stirring this, but I also need to fluff in the breadcrumbs. Well, I guess that's what we're doing first then. And we'll just make sure you stay warm, I guess. Yeah. He's such a good dog. Which, by the way, before we get to it, my dog eats whatever I eat. Doesn't matter what it is. I don't care. He eats it. So, before you guys get all upset about, oh, your dog shouldn't do this, or you shouldn't feed your dog this, or blah, blah, blah. Here's how I look at it. So, in your lifetime, you can have multiple dogs. But in your dog's lifetime, you are their life. Like, you are it. So, I'm going to make sure while I have my dog that he is going to be the happiest dog I can make him. He can have whatever he wants. Whenever, I mean, it doesn't go overkill. Like, I'm not going to make all this for him and just let him gorge and throw up or something. But, like, I'm a firm believer that you make sure your dog is happy all the time. Because your dog, like, all your dog has is you. That's it. It just wants you. So, my dog will be eating a little bit of mashed potatoes and a little bit of turkey and gravy and a little bit of stuffing and probably some bread and butter. Like, he's going to have his own little mini Thanksgiving, like 100%. So, before everybody goes out there and starts crying and complaining on it. I'm 100% for feeding your dog and treating your dog as basically your child. Because like I said, your dog is like you are all you have, or you are all it has. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna get this. I need to keep whisking it. Alright, screw it. We're gonna do this real quick. Same time, same fork. Fluffed in. Let that sit up and soak up just a hair while I do this. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Off the heat. I guess by the time I lay all this out, it is kind of a lot of turkey. Ouch. And most of this isn't for me. Well, most of it is for me. Some of it, a couple pieces, is for the Puccini. Because they need some turkey too. Honest, quit playing it. Oh, guys, it's cold out here. Alright, so I'm gonna get my plate set up and we'll be back. Alright, guys. Cheers. Oh man, that's good. I bought some other turkey. Try a piece of that. If I can get a piece off here. Of course, everything's got to be smothered in gravy. Alright guys, well, I'm going to smash this. Well, I'm going to smash most of it. Old pretty boy down here is going to get the rest. Aren't you, bud? And, I guess I'll see you guys maybe sitting around the fire or something. Alex, do you want some too? Well, your eyes look red in camera. His eyes are like pretty blue. That's weird. My little devil dog. Do you want your own little dinner? Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you speak? Can you speak? Speak? It's not choke. Speak. Speak. You're not getting this till you speak, bud. Sit. Speak. Speak. There you go. Good boy. That's a good boy, huh? Well, maybe Dad should cut down like a Pringles tube. Well, guys, we're in the truck. The fire didn't last long. There's basically just a little bit left when I got done eating. As you see, it's gonna be a bit of a challenge with this damn dog. So, I was gonna try to edit. That's not gonna happen now, is it? So I guess I'm gonna maybe try to turn my iPad on, and it's your tail. That's your own tail. Maybe turn my iPad on and see if I can stick it in this corner over here and be able to watch a movie. My heat pipe, I had that 90 coming off of it. I never glued none of that together, so I popped the 90 off it. Gazoon tight.
That way, so it just blow, because he's probably gonna lay like right here somewhere. I don't know. Honestly, he's just gonna keep me up all night. He's already got the truck all muddy. Hey, I'm talking to the camera. Don't tell me no. Anyways, guys, lay down. Thanks for the butt in the face. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna turn a movie on or something. Some YouTube. Watch some something. Hopefully the dog won't keep me up. You hear the dog. Won't keep me up non-stop. I mean, technically there's plenty of space in here. I mean, he sleeps on the bed next to me, regardless, at home. So, he's probably gonna think this is just the coolest thing in the world. Yeah. I guess I'll cut the camera, and I'll see you guys probably in the morning. Maybe with this dog not in the truck. Come on, bud. Will you at least go turn the camera off? Well, you're almost there. Go over there. I tried. Alright, guys. We'll catch you in the morning. Come on. Come on, Tiny. No, we're not. I gotta push the button. I have to push. We're not snuggling. I gotta push the button.
No. Get down. You should be chasing stuff. Well, good morning, everybody. We would have woke up in the truck, but someone decided that they wanted to chase a deer this morning. So I just got back from a long hike because someone couldn't take no for an answer. And I was just in sweatpants and I slept on these Crocs and kind of went off after him. So we would have woke up in the truck, but that happened. It was so hot in there. I had this open this morning at about 6 o'clock. Like, I had both windows open, that diesel heater on low, and I was just woke up so hot. Plus, he was, wanted outside pretty bad. So I opened this up. He jumped out. He went to the bathroom. He jumped back in, just laid there for a little bit. And I heard something kind of walking through here, and then, of course, I forgot the glass was open when I was just laying there. And he jumped out and went after the deer. So that was festive. Anyway, so yeah, back, clothes back on. Obviously the dog's back and listening now. We're gonna make some. What are we gonna make this morning? We're gonna make some breakfast sausage, some fried potatoes. I got some coffee and stuff. So we're gonna make that up and have some good food and get the dog some food and probably some water because he's probably thirsty from running all morning. Quit eating stuff off the ground. Come here. Sit down. Quit eating stuff off the ground. That's good boy. Oh, you got your rope. You got your rope, huh? Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna do that. So I'll see you guys in a minute after I take care of this dog. Coffee cup. I'm not using a pot, so it's a good thing we got a canteen. Fancy. That should work. See here, that was 16.9 ounces. Yeah, so we'll do around 12 ounces. Trying out some new coffee. Of course, it's instant. Let's see what this tastes like. Let's see what it smells like. Well, it smells really good. I lost the dog again. Onyx. Pretty boy. That's a good boy, eh? That's a good boy. Alright, come on. We're getting here everything. So we need a pan. Of course. And dog hair all over everything. You know, all in all, he did pretty well. And he slept like snuggled up in a corner right there. Probably because he's trying to get away from the heat, so he slept right against the window. So I think I might actually take him on some more trips, which would be cool. I like to kind of leave him at home just for the fact of like he is a protector for the most part for the house. He's kind of aggressive towards the doors and stuff. So somebody walks up, he loses his mind. I doubt anybody's gonna walk in the house. Onyx, spit it out. Stop eating stuff off the ground, bud. So I like to leave him at home because obviously the old lady and the kids are there. It makes you just feel a little bit better. But at the same time, he gets so sad when I'm not home. Like if I leave for a couple of days, like this dog is lost. So I think we might take him along with for some more. But I think my extra virgin olive oil got a little cold. I feel like this camping trip's gonna be just me filming cooking. Skip it. Come on now, what are you doing? Just because this kitchen is as tall as you are doesn't mean that this is your kitchen. Oh. Garlic powder. Salt. Some pepper. Boy, that is some thick cracked pepper. Would help if I had a spatula. Spatula? Yes, spatula. I think I might get a different spatula. This one just feels too sharp on the edges. Foods. A bit of coffee in here. Chocolate cream. Let's see how all this stuff goes. Probably gonna be delicious. Need a mixer. Need a mixer. something like that for now. Throw a good knob of butter in here with these potatoes, and then take them off because they're basically ready to go. There's some of the most unhealthiest stuff in an uncooked patty. No, you just can't wait, can you? Hot. Delicious. Well, hot. Look at him. Here's a helicopter. Sit down. You hear something? Yeah. You hear something? Sit down. Yeah. Well, breakfast is served. Yep, those are pretty good. Well, did you want a piece? Can you guys even see him? Look at him. Look at him. Watch out. Now look at him. Do you think you're getting some? You gotta knock over your food's on the ground right there. You gotta knock it over. Okay. How about we split the first one, huh? It's hot now. It's hot. Did you even taste it? That's what I thought. Alright guys, well, I'm going to eat this. He's going to eat the other 3 that's in the pan for him. I'm going to pack stuff up real quick, and then we're going to get out of here. See if we can get some shots of me driving through these woods. And, yeah. Well, guys, I guess I'm going to call it. Thanks for watching the video. I guess if you watched it this far, if I could ask you to subscribe and share and try to get these videos up and going and stuff. It really helps the channel out. The diesel heater, that thing worked amazing. In fact, it worked so good that that I had to shut it off in the middle of the night. And this is on low. I had to, like as low as it would go. I had to shut it off in the middle of the night, open up all the windows. And I woke up because it was freezing cold in there. So I turned it back on and it got a little warm in there. So I decided to crack or open up the back hatch on it too, and just leave it on just while I was waking up in the morning. And that's when the dog took off after the deer. That whole fiasco happened. But worked great. Absolutely no condensation in that thing. Like, not even a drop. I'm really happy with it. I think it's going to work better in colder weather. Last night it got down to like 41 or 40. No, wait. It's a high of 40, 41. It got down to 31, 32. Whatever it was cold. It was cold. Yeah, it worked great. So, and I think the one I bought, man, was only like $150. With tax, shipping, everything to my door, like that was pretty cheap, and it used basically no fuel. My battery, because I had that other battery hooked up in my truck, the battery voltage on it was like 12.6 when I started, and I had it running like while I was making dinner and like all the time. It was shut off for about 3 hours in the middle of the night, and then turned back on for another like 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, so it was 12.6 when it started, and this morning before I started my truck, it was at 12.4. So it doesn't use like any voltage, man. It's a really good investment. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it. He's ready to go home, see everybody else. Like I said, thanks for watching, guys, and might do a stealth truck camping coming up, a little bit of that, and guess we'll see you later.